So next problem, eighth one. If the parabolas y square is equals to 4b into x minus c, as well y square is equals to 8 minus x have a common normal. Two parabolas have a common normal, then we need to find out the value of triplet ABC. So the problem is about a common normal and specifically about the normal of a parabola. So what is the general form of the normal for the standard form of a parabola? For suppose, if the equation of parabola is y square is equals to 4ax, we did few problems, and the general form of the tangent with the slope m is y is equals to mx plus a by m. Then what is the general form of the normal with slope m? Okay, normal with slope m. Okay, this is the other concept. See, tangent slope is m there. Usually tangent slope m అయితే normal slope 1 by m అని తీసుకుంటాం. These two are two independent conditions. Tangent with the slope m is y is equals to mx plus a by m. Normal with slope m. Okay, that's one idea. This is the other idea. Okay, ఈ రెండిని కంబైన్ చేయకూడదు. So y square is equals to 4ax. Equation of normal with slope m is given by y is equals to mx minus 2am minus am cube. So this is the general form of the normal having slope m. Okay, so use this general form for this first parabola as well for the second parabola, and we need to apply that common normal situation. After that we need to get the value of ABC. That's the problem. Okay, just write. So now what are the given parabolas? Y square is equals to 4b into x minus c is one parabola. Y square is equals to 8ax is the other parabola. First of all, y square is equals to 8ax. For y square is equals to 8ax. So y square is equal to 8ax in the sense 4 into 2a into x. Instead of a in the standard form, I have 2a in this y square is equals to 8ax. Then equation of the normal, general form of the normal having slope m with this for this parabola is y is equals to mx minus usually 2a, but I have 2a here, so 2 into 2a 4am minus 2am cube, replacing a with 2a. Okay, and what to say about the general form of the normal for this y square is equals to 4b into x minus c. Same thing, since we have x minus c here, we need to replace x with x minus c again. So y is equals to m into x minus c minus 2, instead of a we need to use b now because here it is 4b. Okay, for the standard form 4a is the lattice rectum, and here for the given parabola 4b is the lattice rectum, so use b instead of a. So minus 2bm minus bm cube. This is a general normal for the y square is equals to 8ax, and this is a general normal for this y square is equals to 4b of x minus c. But as per the problem, these two parabolas have a common normal. That means if this is the common normal, then these two lines represent, these two equations represent same line. Since these two equations represent same line, okay, so this is m into x minus c. You just write that m into x minus c as mx minus mc, right? And since these two equations represent same line, so you just compare these two lines. Y and mx are same, so just equalize these constants parts and then get the values of a, b, c. So from this what we have? From this, the constant part here it is 4am is equals to 4am minus 2am cube is equals to, what is the constant here? mc plus 2bm. Okay, this is also 4am plus 2am cube. So you just leave minus there and then get the coefficients here. 4am plus 2am cube is equals to mc plus 2bm plus bm cube. We need to fix a triplet for ABC. So now what to do? Just cancel out m because m is involved everywhere. Cancel out m, okay? And then what we will get? If we cancel out m, what we will get? 4a plus 2a m square is equals to c plus 2b plus b m square. Okay? So 4a minus c minus 2b is equals to m square of b minus 2a. 4a minus c minus 2b is equals to m square of b minus 2a. And what is m square? M square is equals to 4a minus c minus 2b divided by b minus 2a. M square. Since m square is a perfect square which is always positive, so this 4a minus c minus b minus 2a should be positive. M square equal positive, this is positive. So 4a minus c minus 2b by b minus 2e positive over a option satisfy, we need to choose that option. Okay. So for suppose if I check 1 1 0. So if I check 1 1 0, what will happen? Just go with the check. I am checking option 2 now. So a is 1, b is 1, c is 0. What will happen? So when I use this 1 1 0, 4 into 1 minus c is 0 minus 2 divided by b is 1 minus a is 1. Okay, b got 1, this is 2. So simplify so that value is negative. So this 110 is not our option. Okay, so in the same way we need to check all other options. Then you just check 113. If you check 113, a is 1, so 4 minus c is 3 minus 2b means 2 by b is 1 minus 2, a is 1. So when you simplify, so 4 minus 5 in the numerator minus 1, denominator is also minus 1, the result is positive. So 113 is the correct option. So at the end this is our answer for the problem. Okay, so use this common normal condition, compare these two equations since they represent same line. At the end decide the values of ABC with this inequality. Okay, that's a problem from parabola based on common normals, which is asked in what? 2019 January session. Next problem. This is again based on common normal condition. See, not common normal, based on general form of the normal condition. So what is given here? X plus y is equals to k is a normal to y square is equals to 12x. Then we need to find out the value of k. So already we have a common normal condition here. See, y square is equals to 12x in the sense y square is equals to 4 into 3 into x. So we need to use a with a as 3. And line is also given. What is this line? X plus y is equals to k. Since line is this x plus y is equals to k and this is a normal for the given parabola, what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is minus 1. X plus y, right? So minus a by b minus 1. M is minus 1, a is 3. With this, what is the general form of the common normal? Y is equals to minus x minus 2 into 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 cube. And when you simplify this, send this x this side. So x plus y is equals to minus into minus is plus, 2 3 is 6 and minus 1 cube is minus 1 and then this is plus 3. So x plus y is equals to 9 is the normal, as the given x plus y is equals to k. So k is equals to 9, there is the problem. So memorizing this common normal condition simplifies our work while solving problems on these normals as well common normals. Okay. So the next problem. One end of a focal chord of y square is equals to 16x is at 1, 4. See, parabola is y square is equals to 16x and the problem is about focal chord. One end of the focal chord is at 1, 4. Then we need to find out this length of the focal chord. So basically, what is a focal chord? Focal chord is a chord of the parabola passing through the focus, right? So we need to find out the length of this focal chord. So we have different formulae to calculate the length of focal chord. For suppose if this is the parabola, as I mentioned, one end of the focal chord is 1, 4, okay? Actually, what is the focus of this parabola? Y square is equals to 16x, in the sense y square is equals to 4 into 4x, and so A is 4, so focus is 4, 0. And one point 1, 4 is on the parabola, somewhere maybe this is the point 1, 4. Okay, and now if you join this and extend it to meet the parabola at some other point, that is the focal chord. Our task is to find this length of the focal chord. So to calculate the length of the focal chord, if you have this second point, then find the distance, that is the length. That's the other way, one way. Then the other way is, you just calculate this angle, some alpha, then 4a cosecant square alpha is a formula to find the length of the focal chord. What is that? 4a cosecant square alpha is the length of the focal chord, which is making an angle alpha with the positive x-axis. I will use that. And so for that, what I need? A is clearly, I have it as 4, but what is alpha? So these points 4, 0, 1, 4 are given, and this 1, 4, 4, 0 is a line and which is making an angle alpha with x-axis. So you just calculate it, slope of that line, slope of this focal chord line as tan alpha. So which is 4 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 4, and that value is minus 4 by 3. So tan alpha is minus 4 by 3. So since tan alpha is minus 4 by 3, alpha is in second quadrant, we need to calculate the what? Cosecant alpha. Use a triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, here it is alpha. So this is 4, this is 3, this is 5. So from this it is very clear that what is sin alpha? Sin alpha is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, which is 4 by 5. So we have cosecant alpha. At the end, finally, length of chord, specifically focal chord, is 4a cosecant square alpha. 4 into a is what? 4. Cosecant square alpha, sin alpha is 4 by 5. So reciprocate 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 whole square. And if you simplify, you will get it as 25. So length of the focal chord is 25 for that given parabola at the point 1, 4. This is one way of finding length of focal chord using this Fourier cosecant square alpha. Okay, and the other way is, as I said, finding the other end of the focal chord and calculating the distance, right? So here we are using this Fourier cosecant square alpha. For that we need alpha. For alpha, use the concept of slope. After having tan alpha, from right angle triangle, identify sin alpha. Then this is the length. Next problem. This x square is equals to 4y is a parabola. We know it. And length of the chord of that parabola having equation x minus root 2y plus 4 root 2 is equals to 0. There is a chord for this x square is equals to 4y, whose equation is this x minus root 2y plus 4 root 2 is equals to 0. We need to calculate the length of the chord. X square is equals to 4y. X square is equals to 4ay is an upward parabola. So this is the rough sketch of parabola. X square is equals to 4ay, 4 into 1 into y. Okay. And for this parabola, this is what? A chord. Okay. We need to calculate that length of the chord. For suppose this is the line equation as they given. What is that line equation? X minus root 2y plus 4 root 2 is equals to 0. That is the line equation. And that line is intersecting given parabola at 2 points. Say those 2 points as PQ. Our target is to find length of PQ, length of the chord. Okay. You just consider coordinates of P as some x1 comma y1, whereas coordinates of Q as x2 comma y2. Our task is to calculate x1, y1, x2, y2, or directly to calculate the distance between PQ. So to calculate these points, we need intersection of this line with the parabola. So make an intersection of those two to get about x1, x2 as well to get about y1, y2. So how to make an intersection? So first of all, replace y from this line in that parabola. What we have? First thing is, x square is equals to 4y. But what is y? Just look here. What is y? Y is x plus 4 root 2 divided by root 2. Is it right? Just have a look. X plus 4 root 2 is equals to root 2y, and I need y, so divide with root 2. So just you adjust it. X square is equals to, so 4 by root 2 is what? 4 by root 2 is 2 root 2. Is it right? 2 into root 2 is 4. Cancel 1 root 2. So that is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into x plus 2 root 2 into 4 root 2. Okay. Otherwise you just write it like this. 4 by root 2 is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into x plus 4 root 2. And x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 fours is 8 and 1 more 2. 16 is equals to 0. And now if you solve this quadratic, you will get two values for x, and those two values represents x1, x2. But now instead of solving that quadratic, I will use x1 plus x2 as well x1, x2. So yes, this is a relation obtained by the intersection of this line with the parabola. So for this quadratic, this x1 and x2 are the roots. So use that condition. So x square minus 2 root 2x minus 16 is equals to 0. For this we have x1, x2 as roots. Use sum of roots as well product of roots. What is sum of roots? Sum of roots is minus b by a, which is 2 root 2 from this quadratic, and product of the roots is what? Minus c by a, so which is minus 16. x1 plus x2 is 2 root 2, x1 into x2 is minus 16. Okay. I have some relations on x1, x2, then what are the relations on y1, y2? So again make a quadratic in terms of y. For that we need to eliminate x from using both the equations, equation of parabola as well as equation of line. For that what we do? Then x is what? X is root 2y minus 4 root 2. Root 2y minus 4 root 2 in the sense root 2 of y minus 4 from this x. So this is x and its square is x square is equals to 4y. I am just replacing x from the equation of line in equation of parabola. When you simplify this, root 2 square is 2. 2 into y square minus 8y plus 16 is equals to 4y. Cancel out 1, 2 and make a quadratic. Y square minus 10y plus 16 is equals to 0. And now this quadratic is in terms of y. It represents again the coordinates of PQ. So whose roots are y1, y2. Okay. Then think about y1 plus y2. Which is equals to what? y1 plus y2 is 10. As well, what is y1 into y2? And that is equals to 16. So finally we need distance between PQ, right? So PQ is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So after having x1 plus x2 and x1 x2, use x2 minus x1 whole square. As well, since we have y1 plus y2 and y1 y2, calculate y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So I will use this space now. So PQ is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square and a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus 4ab. So that is x2 plus x1 whole square minus 4x1 x2 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So y2 minus y1 whole square is y2 plus y1 whole square minus 4y1 y2. You just replace x1 plus x2, x1, x2 and everything in that. So this is equals to square root of, okay, x2 plus x1 is what? 2 root 2. 2 root 2 square is 8 minus 4 into x1, x2 is minus 16 plus y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 plus y1 which is 10. 10 square minus 4 into 16. We just try to calculate this. That will generate your answer. So here minus into minus plus 4 into 16. This is minus 4 into 16. See, there is a chance of cancellation. Cancel out these two. 10 square is 100 plus 8, 108. So root 108. Root 108 means 27 fours or otherwise 36 threes. 36 threes in the sense maybe 6 root 3 like that. Just have a look. Instead of calculating the values of x1, x2, y1, y2 directly, we are just making quadratic in terms of x1s as well quadratic in terms of y next. If it is a if after having quadratic in terms of x, calculate x1 plus x2, x1 into x2, and quadratic in terms of y represents y1 plus y2 and y1 y2. Use those four relations to mention the distance between the points PQ, just using normal distance formula. And the distance formula contains x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. We need these two values. So x2 minus x1 whole square is this x2 plus x1 whole square minus 4x1 x2, y2 plus y1 whole square minus 4y1 y2. Replace all these four values here. At the end our answer is 6 root 3. Okay. That's the problem. And finally, these are the questions asked in 2019 JEE Mains from Parabola. Okay, just observe these questions, and then in the other videos of this playlist, you will get classes on previous year mains Parabola questions from 2020, from 2021, and related to advanced papers also. Just do follow all these videos, practice well for your mains and advanced. And that's for today's class. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you.